Hey everyone, so right here is a bunch of shelves that I've actually just finished building. It took me around 7 hours for a solo project, and keep in mind this is around the second solo woodworking project I've done, and it's pretty solid. It's very simple in design, but very effective. I wouldn't really trust climbing these, but they hold model trains, and that's what they're supposed to do. But good tips for building any sort of shelf, and specifically model train shelves. Um, Make sure when you're drilling directly into the wall that you use a screw that's not too long, because if it's too long, it might puncture something. And also, speaking of puncturing something, make sure that you do not, make sure that you're not blind going to this. Make sure that you know the layout of your wall. Like, use a stud finder. There are stud finder apps out there, but they don't work as reliably, I find, as just a regular old stud finder. So, right here, again, very simple. I just cut some blocks of, I don't actually know the width of this. I think it's 1 inch by 1 inch. And then I cut this. These are about 8 inches long. And then these shelves themselves are around 75 inches long. Each of them, give or take a little. And they work fine. You can make them longer or shorter depending upon the space you have. But I might make some more. I might just leave it as it is. I'll see how these fare over time. And if they work great, then I might make more. So if I can make these shelves, then you can definitely do it too, because I'm an amateur at this, and you might be a professional at woodworking. Um, and if you have multiple people, you can make tons of these in a very short amount of time. And this design actually, I just came up with it out of the blue. Like, I have a lot of this material, a lot of this 1 by 1 sort of wood as just scrap. So I decided to cut it and make this. So thanks for watching, and I hope that this gave you some ideas in terms of woodworking and getting adequate storage for model trains. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you later. Bye.